Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and clean the glue residue. If you have that plastic protector, I don't know what they call that, clear brow, something like that, funny, for your car. This one, as you can see, has quite a bit of sun damage. And you can see how bad it looks when you come close to it. So we're going to show you how to remove it, guys. If you just try to pull it, sometimes it won't work. There is an easier way to do that, and what you need is a hair dryer, just a regular hair dryer from the house, and stay with us to see how we're going to remove it and clean the glue with it. Pull it out. So what you need to do, just heat it up. If you go like that behind it, once you start pulling, it's going to work pretty good. And you need to do the whole deal like that. You can stop, take a break and heat it up again, but the whole hood probably will not take you more than 10 minutes to remove the plastic protector on top. And then stay with us to see how we're going to clean that. You can see that nasty glue residue on the hood, and we'll show you how to make the paint even, because most likely the paint under this one will be newer than the other one, will be shinier after we clean it. Alright guys, we have the last piece left here, so we just pull that one out, okay? And as you can see, it doesn't look good already, because you can see how much glue we have when it started peeling from being too old. Dirt got underneath the glue and on the front as well. And now guys, there is two options. You can use alcohol or acetone. We prefer acetone, it does the job quick, but do not soak the paint too much, because you can cause paint damage. So if you don't feel comfortable with it, you can use rubbing alcohol, but in both cases you need to polish it after that, because it will be faded. It will, even if it's alcohol, it's going to take the wax out of the paint, and as you can see, it cleans it pretty good. And stay with us to see, guys, how we're going to polish it and make it even and nice like the rest of the hood. Okay guys, so we clean it now, and as you can see, it's still not clean all the way. So what we're going to use, it's a 3M, it's called machine polish. It's really good stuff. Number 2, number 1, if you want, you can buy. This is the Perfect It series, and that's the part number. You can buy in small amounts to polish your car. And what you need to do now, you need to apply on the surface that you worked. Okay, just like that. And then you need to get a buffer, and you need to polish it. In our case, our buffer, you can select the RPMs. We're going at 1900 to 2100. Just don't stay too long in one spot, because you can get the paint too hot and mess it up, so you need to move quickly back and forth. Okay, you need to just apply it first. Guys, it's still not perfect. Now we need to wipe it really good, and we need to apply a second time, and the second time almost everything will come out, because we had too much to start with. So you need to get it clean now. Get a cotton cord and just clean it, because there will be some left here and there. And we will apply the second coat now. Okay guys, we just finished the whole hood. Now what we need to do, we need to wipe everything, and we're going to see what it looks like now. Okay, you can see how shiny it is now. Okay, it's like brand new again, even it had the... Okay. You can see, guys, it looks great. You cannot even tell that he had that clear protector on top. Also, we'll have the video, guys, how to make those headlights like brand new again. So you can find that one on our channel. We'll be uploading it soon, and you can see how shiny the hood is now. the reflection, it's perfect. I mean, there is no scratches or anything like that, and that's only with one machine polish. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.